Hello guys, I am Krishna Vishwakarma and you are watching my YouTube channel name as Krish Cat Designer. So I told you in the previous video how you can draw 2D drawings in SolidWorks. So I told you in this previous video how we can use line command, rectangle, circle or sketch command. There are our sketch, line command, circle command and rectangle. So today's video we will tell how to use extrude boss base. So let's start today's video. First we need to go to the sketch. There is sketch. Then we need to choose the front plane. Then we will take a rectangle and draw from here. Then we will give the dimension of the rectangle, which is 50 into 100. This is 50. This is 100. Then we will select the feature to go to the extrude boss base command. Then we need to click on the extrude boss base, which has already done. After clicking on this, you will now see the blind option. There is a blind option. After clicking on this, we got many options here, like mid plane, up to the body, offset from the surface, up to the surface, up to the vertex. I will tell you all these amazing options in the upcoming video. At the moment, we know about the blind and the mid plane. There is a blind. In the blind, you have to fill the thickness, or you can say the distance, how much extent you have to fill like this. You will see the preview here. In mid plane, we need the drawing can be extruded into the two parts equally. For example, if we will fill the distance 50 mm, then it will divide into 25. So there is my video about how to extrude the boss base. So that's all. I hope you like today's video. You might have liked my videos. You can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of